Have you ever wondered what dropshipping is and how to get started? Let's unravel this together. Dropshipping is a retail fulfillment method where a store doesn't keep the products it sells in stock. Instead, when a store sells a product using the dropshipping model, it purchases the item from a third party and has it shipped directly to the customer. Hence, the seller doesn't have to handle the product directly. This business model is popular for several reasons. First, it's easy to get started. You don't need a brick-and-mortar store or even a storage space for your goods. A computer, internet connection, and some basic website skills are all you need. Second, it's cost-effective. There's no need to invest thousands in inventory up front. You only purchase the product after you've made a sale and the customer is paid. This significantly reduces the risk and upfront costs, making it an accessible venture for budding entrepreneurs. Third, it's flexible. You can run your dropshipping business from anywhere with an internet connection. This means you can manage your enterprise while traveling, spending time with family, or even from the comfort of your own home. Next, the potential profitability. The profit margins in dropshipping can be quite high, especially for niche products. Since you're not investing in inventory or warehousing, the majority of the revenue you generate from sales is pure profit. Finally, there's a wide range of products to choose from. Since you don't have to pre-purchase the items you sell, you can offer a wide array of products to your customers. This allows you to experiment with different products to see what sells best. Dropshipping is not without its challenges, of course. It requires patience, persistence, and a keen eye for trending products. But with the right approach, it can be a profitable and rewarding business. Now that you know what dropshipping is, let's delve into how you can start your own dropshipping business. Before launching your dropshipping business, you need to decide on a niche. This is a crucial step as it helps focus your marketing efforts and attract a dedicated customer base. But how do you select a profitable niche? Well, it's a blend of passion and practicality. Start by listing topics you're genuinely interested in. Passion for your product can fuel your business during challenging times. Next, examine the market demand for these topics. Tools like Google Trends can provide insights into what people are searching for. Remember, a profitable niche should ideally have a steady demand and limited competition. Also, consider the price point. High-ticket items may yield more profit, but they can also be more challenging to sell. Market research plays an integral role here. Understanding your potential customers, their needs, and preferences can help you tailor your product offering and marketing strategy. Once you've chosen your niche, it's time to find a supplier. Finding a reliable supplier is a critical step in building your dropshipping business. This sentence isn't just a saying, it's a golden rule in the world of dropshipping. Your supplier is your partner, and choosing the right one can either make or break your business. So, how do you find a reliable supplier? Well, there are several ways. You could do a quick search online, but you'll likely be overwhelmed with options. You could also use supplier directories, which are essentially databases of pre-vetted suppliers. Or you could attend trade shows and meet suppliers in person. Remember, it's about finding a supplier that aligns with your business goals and values. Once you've found potential suppliers, it's time to do some homework. Research each one thoroughly. Look at their reputation, their product quality, and their delivery times. Make sure they're reliable, because your customers will associate their experience not just with your brand, but with the overall quality of the product and service they receive. Communication is another key factor. You need to have open lines of communication with your supplier, because when issues arise, and they will, you need to be able to resolve them quickly. A good supplier will be responsive and willing to work with you to solve problems. Product quality is just as important. This might seem obvious, but it's worth repeating. If your products are poor quality, your customers won't be happy. And unhappy customers are bad for business. So make sure your supplier provides high-quality products that meet your customers' expectations. And remember, price isn't everything. It might be tempting to go for the cheapest supplier, but that might mean sacrificing quality or service. It's about finding the right balance. In conclusion, finding a good supplier involves research, communication, and a focus on quality. It might take some time and effort, but it's worth it. Because once you've found a reliable supplier, you've laid a solid foundation for your dropshipping business. After securing a supplier, the next step is creating your online store. So let's get ready to dive into that in our next segment. Stay tuned. Creating your online store is where you'll showcase your products to potential customers. It's the virtual marketplace where all your transactions will happen, and it's vital to get it right. So let's dive into how you can build a store that not only looks good, but also works seamlessly. There are several platforms you can use to set up your online store. Shopify is a popular choice, with its easy-to-use interface and wide range of features. It's a great option for beginners and seasoned entrepreneurs alike. On the other hand, WooCommerce is a plugin for WordPress users. It offers flexibility and customization, but might require a bit more tech savviness. Other options include BigCommerce and Magento, each with their unique strengths and weaknesses. Choosing the right platform is crucial, but what's even more important is the design of your store. It should be user-friendly and attractive. The navigation should be intuitive, and your products should be easy to find. Remember, a well-organized site encourages customers to stay longer and explore more, increasing the chances of making a sale. Think about your store's aesthetic as well. It should reflect your brand and appeal to your target market. A clean, minimalist design might work for a tech store, while a vibrant and colorful theme might be more appropriate for a children's clothing line. The key is consistency. Don't forget about mobile optimization. More and more people are shopping on their phones, so make sure your store looks good and functions well on smaller screens. When it comes to payment and shipping options, offer as many as possible to cater to different customer preferences. And don't forget to clearly state your return and refund policies. Transparency builds trust, and trust leads to loyal customers. Once your store is up, the next step is marketing your products, but that's a topic for another day. For now, focus on building a store that's not just a place to sell products, but an experience that keeps customers coming back for more. Marketing your products effectively is key to driving traffic to your store and increasing sales. So, let's delve into the world of marketing. Firstly, social media marketing. In this digital age, social media is a powerhouse for reaching a wide audience. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter allow you to connect with potential customers on a personal level, showcasing your products in a relatable and engaging way. Running promotions, contests, or simply sharing customer testimonials can help generate interest and drive sales. Now let's talk about search engine optimization, or SEO. This is the process of optimizing your website so that it ranks higher in search engine results, making it easier for potential customers to find you. This involves using relevant keywords in your product descriptions and blog posts, optimizing your images, and ensuring your website is user-friendly. Remember, the higher you rank, the more visibility you have. Then there's email marketing. Despite the rise of social media, email remains a highly effective way to reach your audience. Building an email list allows you to send personalized messages, special offers, and updates directly to your customers' inboxes. It's a great way to keep your brand top of mind and encourage repeat purchases. But remember, the key to successful marketing is targeting the right audience. You could have the best marketing strategy in the world, but if you're not reaching the people who are interested in your products, it's all for naught. Understand who your ideal customer is, what they like, what they need, and where they hang out online. This will allow you to tailor your marketing efforts accordingly and maximize your return on investment. In conclusion, marketing your products is not just about shouting your message into the void. It's about finding the right platforms, using the right tactics, and most importantly, speaking to the right people. With effective marketing, your dropshipping business is well on its way to success. So get out there, start marketing, and watch your business thrive. Let's quickly recap what we've covered about starting a dropshipping business. We began by understanding what dropshipping is, a business model that allows you to sell products without holding any inventory. Then we delved into the importance of choosing a niche, a specific market segment that you're passionate about and that has potential for profits. Next, we discussed how to find a reliable supplier, a crucial element to ensure the quality and delivery of your products. We also explored the process of creating your online store, making it user-friendly and appealing to customers. Finally, we touched on marketing your products effectively using strategies like social media advertising, SEO, and email marketing to reach your target audience and boost sales. Remember, success in dropshipping requires dedication and continuous learning. Visit our ebook store and learn to earn online. The link is in the description. Like and share this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the Momentum Mentoring YouTube channel for more entrepreneurship tips. Until next time, keep hustling.